I'm waiting for it to get to operating temp, and at operating temp, the thermostat's gonna open and allow all the air bubbles to come out through this funnel. The temps are getting up there. It needs to get to operating, which is around 180 something. Also, my tack is working again. I don't know if you can see, but it's not on 0, so. So in my last video, the steering wheel was off to the left, and I tried to readjust it, now it's off to the right. So today we need to fix that. Alright, I just loosened this. It's a bunch of PB blaster now. I need to wipe it off from when I tried to pull it out the first time. Alright, don't mind all the sweat on my face. It's really hot in Florida. That's installed. Now we're gonna turn this, and this should start coming out. Yep, all right. Just like that, we got it off. I'm gonna work this with a pad so this doesn't happen again. Green Scotch-Brite pad. I'm gonna work it a little bit. Oh damn, no, you don't want to go back on? Come on, bro. That's line, that's back on. That's it, let's drive. Should have got something healthier, but we can head back to the crib now. The car's driving good. All right, so now I gotta install these fenders. First thing I need to do is figure out how many bolts I need because I only have one. That one bolt is holding on the entire fender. And I think some zip ties like underneath. But yeah, we're gonna take out this corner light, pop the zip tie off, get everything out, and then we're gonna go buy these bolts for both sides and we can start trying to do some fitment testing, and we're gonna have to drill holes in the actual new fenders, so. All right, so this is gonna take a lot more shaving than I thought it would, not gonna lie. This is flat, this is not. So I'm gonna cut that now. I'm gonna go like this, up, across, and then down. All right, so as you guys can see, the corner light doesn't fit and the headlight barely fits. So overall, so far, Modelo, I'm not gonna lie, your fenders look good. They fit all right. The gap in between here is noticeable. You could see this gap's really small. I mean, if both sides are gonna have the same distance, then that's cool, you know? When it comes to the headlight mounting, Modelo, you guys messed up bad. You guys did a terrible job. I'm gonna be honest. But yeah, honestly, Modelo Drive, the fenders are good. I like the vents, those are cool. All the other things lined up pretty well. I did have to do some shaving on the top here. The only downside, Modelo, is this front part right here. So I'm gonna get like a bracket, like a plate, welded like right here, and then have two like L brackets come out, and that's how I'll mount the headlight. And I'm just basically gonna completely just cut that part and then cut right here. I'm gonna install this other fender, and after I do that, we can pull the car out, and then I'm gonna have, listen, I'm gonna have some sick B-roll for you guys. I'm gonna get this fender on, stop talking, and yeah. Got this side on. I'm not gonna lie, it's not that bad. But for now, no corner lights. I'm not gonna lie, that sucks because like, and the car looks really good with the corner lights, and it looks kind of like unfinished without the corner lights. And on top of that, I don't have a front bumper, so it's whatever. The other thing I have to do is put spacers on. So I'm gonna jack it up, put the spacers on, and see what the finished look is like. And hopefully it's not too bad. Fenders are on, finally. That was a long process. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I thought fenders would be easy to install. You know, drill the bolt holes and put them on, but it's a lot of work. Car looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna say it looks amazing, because it looks just pretty normal. I'm about to pull the car out, and I guess we can just cut to the B-roll of the fenders now. What's next? Corner lights. Who can weld for me in South Florida? Like, I'm in like South Florida, like Broward County. So if anyone lives down here and you watch my videos and you know how to weld, like I literally just need some spot welds, then I'll run to Home Depot and we can both slide and get the plates and the brackets and stuff and fab something up. But that's it for this one. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Let's go.